Yang saya muliakan, Your Excellency, Presiden Republik of Indonesia, Bapak Joko Widodo, the Honorable, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Republic of Indonesia, the Honorable UN Countries Delegation, the Honorable, the Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia for the Republic of Kenya, the Honorable, the Government of East Java Province, the Honorable, the Mayor of Surabaya, Head of Association of Indonesia Municipalities, leaders, experts, and activists of environmental, housing, and settlement issues, representative of universities and academia, representative of profession association and non-governmental organization, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today, the global community is celebrating World Habitat Day 2020. We all welcome this year's theme, Housing for All, a Better Urban Future. We meet to share experiences and design innovative strategies for more comfortable, inclusive, and sustainable housing, settlement, and urban development. The theme, House for All, is very relevant today because of the increasingly complex challenges. One of those challenges is the COVID-19 pandemic that has hit the entire world. These days, the world community rises to fight this pandemic. With a global partnership, we seek to provide a vaccine for the safety of the global population. We all realize that housing is an important essential need and precondition for properly accessing other basic needs such as education and health. A house is not just a physical building but also a cultural nursery and a basis for human resource development. Currently, the house is a place of protection from the spread of COVID-19 and is the center of community activities such as work from home and school from home. All activities now from home. Today, more than half of Indonesian population live in cities, urban area, even metropolitan. To consider this context, Indonesia has accommodated new urban agenda platform and the principles of sustained development goals into national city policy planning. Since 2017, President of Indonesia, Bapak Joko Widodo, has launched the acceleration of implementation of SDGs. The Indonesian government strongly supports today's theme, Housing for All, in national planning in Indonesia. The government strives to gradually increase community access to decent, safe, and affordable housing and settlements. We put down 3 strategies, namely the demand side, the supply side, and the enabling environment. A number of steps includes 1. Expansion of housing finance facilities, especially for lower middle income people and building housed independently. Number 2, housing subsidy reform that is more efficient and targeted. Number 3, developing services for the public housing savings agency. Number 4, increasing the provision of housing that meet building reliability standard and is integrated with basic housing infrastructure, including the public transportation system. Number 5, development of flat-based public housing system in urban areas. Number 6, urban rejuvenation inclusively in the context of realizing cities without slum settlement. In particular, the government Indonesia pays attention to the sustainable handling of slum areas. This revitalization includes slum upgrading activities using the vertical land consolidation approach based on regional arrangement and renovation without displacing them. We encourage a comprehensive arrangement of slum area, integrated and participative urban regeneration. Apart from dealing with slum settlements, is also at the same time providing housing supply capacity in urban area. In line with the principles of the National Urban Policy, currently Indonesia is designing a sustainable urban policy 2045. In this design, we consider the global megatrend factor, significant future demographic changes, as well as equitable development across regions in Indonesia. We design balanced, inclusive, advanced, green and culture urban system, which is supported by good urban governance, including a digital transformation strategy. Indonesia has raised good lessons from various local, city, and district government in managing cities that are livable, inclusive, and sustainable. One of them is the city of Surabaya, with increasingly complex challenges. Innovative, participatory, collaborative, and breakthrough strategy are needed. Housing for all is the responsibility of all us. Every citizen has the right and opportunity to obtain decent services in the aspect of housing and settlement, as well as urban area. The COVID-19 pandemic is a moment for all of us to rethink adequate, inclusive, and sustainable housing and cities. With World Habitat Day, let us step together, hand in hand, to realize housing for all, a better urban future. Thank you.